Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, Twoguysfinance. And today we're answering your question, which is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And the answer is yes, it is possible. But there are specific conditions also. And it also depends on the country you're applying to. So let's get started. We are going to concentrate on France. You see, for spousal sponsorship or visa for family of French nationals, as it's called, in France, once you're a French citizen or a resident, you can definitely sponsor your spouse for that visa. The process involves submitting documents such as marriage certificates and proof of your relationship. Note that processing times vary, but it allows your spouse to join you in France. As for open work permit, once the family visa is granted, that is, the visa for family of French nationals is granted, your spouse can work in France without needing a separate work permit. Isn't that great? Anyway, that's it for today. See you in the next video.